Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Wealthy Brains. And now let's get in this video. Whether you're wondering if you should buy Bitcoin or if it's time to sell, here's what you need to know. There's been a lot of talk about Wall Street's wild ride recently, and Bitcoin is another investment creating a lot of buzz. The cryptocurrency that was worth just a few dollars years ago is now soaring to prices in the tens of thousands of dollars, making many early buyers millionaires. While many people have heard of Bitcoin, a lot of them may not really understand what it is. It's not a physical coin. When people say they're buying Bitcoin, they're actually buying a digital currency that can be exchanged over the internet without a bank. For years, many people let their Bitcoins sit in their virtual wallets. The cryptocurrency slowly grew in value and recently exploded, hitting new highs. One reason for the recent surge, more investors are starting to buy Bitcoin as an asset, much like gold. In the past two financial quarters, there has been a drastic change in user perception of Bitcoin growth and usability. Among the masses, the world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap has come a long way from being a nomad's way of unstable investment to being called digital gold. Over the past several months, Bitcoin has shown some staggering promises. In March 2021, Bitcoin crossed the all-time high value of $61,500. While Elon Musk's enthusiasm regarding crypto and Tesla's investments appears to have immensely contributed to Bitcoin growth witnessing rising demand. Therefore, we can safely conclude the past 6 months were exceptionally phenomenal for Bitcoin growth and saw the best of Bitcoin ever since its inception in 2009. Despite this growth, people around the world often wonder, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? Should you continue to invest in Bitcoin? In this video, we have decided to get to the bottom of these questions. The growth of Bitcoin. The ongoing Bitcoin bull run brings the total market value of cryptocurrencies to more than $1 trillion. Before we delve into whether investing in Bitcoin is the right choice and amid the ongoing cryptocurrency bull run, we need to understand factors that make Bitcoin valuable. We have not observed any sharp decline in Bitcoin value in the weeks after reaching its all-time high. At the time of writing this article, Bitcoin has been trading above $56,000 mark. It is also believed that Bitcoin could rally as high as $100,000 in 2021. Some experts also predict Bitcoin could surge to as high as $300,000 in 2022. The US dollar has been around for over 200 years, and for a majority of that time, the dollar was backed by gold. That all changed in 1971 when US President Richard Nixon sold the war fiat money by ending the convertibility of US dollars to gold. Fast forward to nearly 50 years later, the arrival of COVID-19 in early January has put the final nail on the coffin for the US dollar. As of October 2020, the Federal Reserve had injected $9 trillion in stimulus to jumpstart the economy. The Fed's 2020 money pump eclipsed 2 centuries of US dollar creation. The debasement of the US dollar continues in 2021 when the government injected an additional $1.9 trillion stimulus, further depressing the value of the dollar. However, in an effort to beat inflation and to insulate themselves from the further collapse of the US dollar, many investors turn to cryptocurrency and digital assets as a store of value, asset diversification, and a means of protecting their hard-earned money. But is cryptocurrency really the best investment? Over the past few years, we've seen cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and just recently, dogecoin going up in value. However, the timing of the rise in these current currencies is suspect. For example, the value of Bitcoin went up after the government sent out stimulus checks to millions of Americans. Many of the recipients invested the money in the cryptocurrency. They are not alone. With the interest rate at almost zero and since yields from government bonds is almost nothing, institutional investors who are flooded with trillions of dollars also invest in cryptocurrency. Unlike gold, which is fairly stable, cryptocurrencies are very volatile. It's not usual to see a price swing of 10% in just 24 hours. Their prices also fluctuate based on tweets from celebrities like Elon Musk. Now imagine currencies that can be manipulated with a smile and offhand tweets on social media. Even though the Bitcoin price continues to remain on the higher side, this is just the beginning. Some people may also argue Bitcoin has already reached its maximum value and there may not be enough potential for it anymore. Many businesses worldwide are now looking for ways to integrate Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies into their financial ecosystem for various reasons. It only shows that Bitcoin is fully capable of growing despite temporary setbacks in its price. However, it has been a year-long rally amid 2 significant events. Number 1, the global pandemic. Most people saw Bitcoin as a hedge against the shaky economic crisis caused by the spread of COVID-19. Even institutional investors such as MicroStrategy, Tesla, Square Corp, and more resorted their cash reserves into Bitcoin. Number 2, third Bitcoin halving event. Halving happens once in 4 years where the rewards of Bitcoin mining are cut down by half. After the third halving, the mining price 12.5 BTC was reduced to 6.25 BTC in May of 2020. It reduced the coins in circulation significantly, thus triggering a higher demand. After a steady rally was set off in October of 2020, the value of Bitcoin has touched new heights, crossed $20,000 in December of 2020, $40,000 in January of 2021, and hit $50,000 in February of 2021, and is now trading around 54,500 globally. The future of Bitcoin. Coming back to your question, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? The answer lies in people's perception and understanding of the future of Bitcoin and the overall cryptocurrency ecosystem. Experts believe the future of cryptocurrencies is bright and often consider Bitcoin a digital gold. There are two primary reasons why Bitcoin sees such dramatic growth. 1. Many businesses are widely accepting Bitcoin as a valid form of payment. 2. Many individual traders use different strategies such as day trading, swing trading, and arbitrage trading to their advantage to churn out profits, essentially boosting the trade volume of various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. From the profitability perspective, Bitcoin continues to remain the go-to option for the most part. During the past decade, Bitcoin has garnered enough fame and become a household name. Therefore, Bitcoin will stay relevant and on its mainstream acceptance path. Is it too late to buy Bitcoin? As you can see, despite some slight dips, the overall future of Bitcoin looks very bullish. Besides, Bitcoin's adoption rate has been growing like never before. The year 2020 saw a massive rise in the number of wallets holding Bitcoin, meaning more people are looking forward to a long-term investment. Experts also say the structure of Bitcoin is suitable for the macro climate. The currency and the blockchain network can easily withstand the skyrocketing price and adoption rates. Lest we forget, mainstream organizations have also been integrating crypto into their services. PayPal allows customers to buy and hold cryptocurrency. Many Wall Street organizations are also planning to enable Bitcoin and crypto trading on their platforms. You can count on your Bitcoin investment even when orthodox market assets leave you baffled. The ongoing coronavirus situation is a perfect example. Even when the world struggled with the COVID-19 and its impact on the economy, Bitcoin saw steady and positive growth. Currently, around 18.5 million Bitcoins have been mined. This leaves less than 3 million that have yet to be introduced into circulation. Only 21 million Bitcoins are available for mining. Scarcity can help preserve value at a time of rising prices and lower purchasing power. Considering that not many investors have plans to sell the Bitcoin that of course they possess anytime soon, BTC's value will persist. To answer the main question, no, it is not too late to buy Bitcoin. Going beyond Bitcoin. Bitcoin is one of the many cryptocurrencies available in the market. If you want to diversify your crypto portfolio, you can also consider other investment opportunities in the crypto ecosystem. You can consider other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, Stellar, and Tether. Long story short, it is not too late to buy Bitcoin, and it will probably not be for many more years to come. Bitcoin has the potential to stand the test of time, and traders use this potential to generate good profit. You don't need tens of thousands of dollars to buy Bitcoin. You can buy a fraction of a coin and watch it grow. Even with just a few $100s, if you do what to buy Bitcoin to spend, a lot of major companies are beginning to accept cryptocurrency as payments. Microsoft, PayPal, and even Overstock, for example. And Bitcoin isn't the only cryptocurrency out there. It's just the one leading the pack right now. That is all for today, folks. Would you like to add anything? Let us know in the comment section. If you enjoy the video, then leave a like, and if you are new, then do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.